Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce study expenses with Wells Fargo, complete guide step by step clearly. To reduce study expenses with Wells Fargo, start by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all relevant documents, including tuition costs, textbooks, supplies, and living expenses. Visit the Wells Fargo website to explore their student banking options. Consider opening a Wells Fargo student checking account. Look for any available discounts or promotions for students. Investigate Wells Fargo student loans if you require additional funding. Compare their loan options based on interest rates and repayment plans. Apply for a student loan through the Wells Fargo application portal. Explore scholarships and financial aid options using Wells Fargo resources. Utilize the Wells Fargo payment plan for managing tuition expenses over time. Inquire about credit cards designed for students to help manage everyday costs. Use budgeting tools provided by Wells Fargo to track your spending. Consider using their rewards program to earn cash back on purchases. Regularly monitor your account statements to identify areas for potential savings. Join Wells Fargo's financial education programs to enhance your money management skills. Set up alerts for low balances or due dates to avoid unnecessary fees. Review your expenses periodically to ensure you stay within your budget. Connect with a Wells Fargo financial advisor for personalized advice. Take advantage of online resources to learn more about managing study-related expenses. By following these steps with Wells Fargo, you can effectively reduce your study expenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.